Good day, teammates. So ngayon nandito tayo sa Sabela. Dito yan sa General Trias, Cavite. So ngayon ipakikita ko sa inyo to si Aliyah townhouse natin. Si Aliyah townhouse natin, meron tayong floor area na 54 square meter and lot area 56 square meter. So tara, pasokan na natin tong turnover unit. So pagpasok natin dito sa ating main door is dito located yung ating living area. Meron tayong sliding window dyan na may screen, tapos may grill sa loob. And then dito naman located yung ating door papunta sa ating back area or service area. So dito meron tayong roughly 3 meters mula rito hanggang dito sa end ng lot natin. So nandito yung sink. So pwedeng dito natin gawin yung ating dirty kitchen or yung ating laundry area. And then pagpasok naman natin dito is dito located yung ating toilet and bath. Katapat siya ng staircase natin. So sa toilet and bath, malaki yung bathroom natin. Meron tayong PVC door. So yung as usual, meron tayong shower, toilet bowl, and sink. And naka-tiles na rin siya. Actually hanggang 1/3 nung wall natin is lang, yun lang yung naka-paint. The rest is naka-tiles. So may ceiling. And ito naman yung view natin dito sa may toilet area. Ito yung view ng ating living area, no? Okay, so panila tayo sa second floor. So sa second floor, meron tayong provision for 3 bedrooms. So dito, meron tayong malaking sliding window dyan. May screen. Tapos nakaabang na yung mga outlets, mga switches para sa lights. May ceiling na rin upon turnover. And doon naman located yung ating dalawang sliding window para sa 2 bedrooms natin. Okay? So malaki tong taas dito since provision to for 3 bedrooms. So na kay owner na lang kung paano partition ang gagawin niya. And then ito naman yung view from the top papunta to sa ating dirty kitchen. Okay, so may provision tayo for window type aircon. And check natin yung view natin dito sa labas. Okay. So ayan. So itong pinasok natin is ito yung actual turnover. So ngayon punta naman tayo dun sa dressed up unit. This time ito naman yung ating dressed up unit. So pagpasok natin dito sa main door is ito na yung ating living area. Ito yung ating dining table, which is pwede na rin natin yung kitchen area. And then ito yung ating service area or back area. Dito naman located yung ating toilet and bath. So ito po yung view niya pag may mga gamit na sa loob. And panik naman po tayo sa taas. So pagpanik natin sa second floor, may provision tayo for 3 bedroom. So ito yung ating bedroom number 1. Ayan po. Tapos dito ang ating bedroom number 2. Tama lang din po yung size niya for kids. Meron tayong single size na bed dyan. Dalawa po yung bintana. And dito rin po is another bedroom. So mas malaki to ng konti. So mas malaki yon. Second po to. And ito po yung maliit. So 3 bedrooms po tayo dito. Meron din po siyang window dyan. So lahat po ng rooms halos is provided ng windows for ventilation na rin, lighting. Okay po.
Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation. What keeps you
up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah.